Hello, dear student. Exercise 6.1 of the triangle we are going to see. First question, fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the bracket. All circle are similar. All circle are similar because size of circle can vary. Suppose one is this size, another is this size. So circle are similar with same because size of circle are different. Square are similar because same concept, square can vary in their size. All equilateral triangle are similar. So all equilateral triangle are similar because in the all the angle are same, but their corresponding ratio are different. Two polygon of same number of sides are similar if their corresponding angle are equal. Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides are proportional. This is the cases when the two similar type of figure are similar. Corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportional. Now we have to give two examples in the question number 2. Give two different examples of pair of similar triangle. Similar triangle is equilateral triangle with different ratios, with a different proportion. So this is 60 degree and this is also 60 degree. This all are 60 degree, but their ratio is 1/2. So in this case, this is similar. Similarly, if we'll take the square, then sides are different, but all the angle are same. Second question is non-similar figure. One is trapezium, triangle, trapezium in square, triangle and parallelogram. This is non-similar. State whether the following, third question, state whether the following quadrilateral are similar or not. Definitely from the given figure, it is looking their angles are not equal, but their corresponding sides are proportional. So this is not similar. Not similar, corresponding sides are proportional, but their corresponding angle are not equal. So in this way, we can find out the similarities of two figures. Thank you.